up, Sabrina? Sabrina?
Sorry, I was completely away with it. I was just thinking about when I was in Portugal at the soccer event.
Well, you won't believe it. We're going to Soca Mazza ZANTE.
Yes! Fantastic.
Wow, Soca Mazza.
So let's show you what's gonna happen right now.
Too much of this dance, they can't stop you. Do what you want. Go, 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 do it. Go, 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 do what you want. Go, 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 go. And if you feel like mash up your feel, show me what you can do. Show me the maddest thing you can do. Show me the crazy thing you can do. It's mad people thing with us do. Why? Anything you can do. Show me the maddest thing you can do. Show me the baddest thing you can do. None of them no madder than you. Drop the fence if you want. Drunk your friends if you want. Start to shell if you want. Drink rum if you want. Tumble down if you want. Burn it down if you want. Break it down if you want. Why? Anything you can do. Show me the baddest thing you can do. Show me the baddest thing you can do. None of them no madder than you. Drop the fence if you want. Drunk your friends if you want. Start to shell if you want. Drink rum if you want. Tumble down if you want. Burn it down if you want. Break it down if you want. To wine and